Alright, so we got most of the driver's side quarter panel done. This is what it's looking like. It's a little dark. But that's all smoothed out, follow the body line. Down here is all done too. And then now we just have the other side to do. Josh is gonna try his first time.
Oh, like first time bondoing?
Bondoing the hood. So he has like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 about.
I don't even know how much bondo I'm supposed to have.
Do
more than that.
I swear, if you use like.
That's good, alright?
Uh-oh. 1 bar left.
Okay, okay. That's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that goes down. Spread it into a circle.
Because it's going to take you a bit longer to fill in all of them. Do half a bead, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
So don't do like a decent amount of hardener, but not too much will harden right away.
Alright?
Yeah. I just farted.
Of course you did. Alright. So, I'm gonna just keep it on here and we'll do it from here.
Alright, we're back after a long ass time. It's been like, it's been like
6, 8 hours?
yeah, something like 6 or 8 hours.
A lot of hours.
But like, so basically what we did was sanding the roof. We realized there was a hole here, so I just filled it with bondo.
And then he fucked up.
Oh yeah, okay, so Josh cracked here, and then I cracked it.
Yeah.
But it's light because he's just gonna get a brand new windshield.
Yeah, it's like, cause you know, I just. Yeah, yo. Is it light? Is it really light? Do I just have money spewing out of my pockets like that?
You had enough money to buy all the spray cans for this, so yeah.
Yeah, that's cause they were like.
You had enough money to fuck around with the RSX, so yeah. So, after that, or no, before that, I hit back here. There was a hole back here too, but I couldn't fully fill it. It's right. It'll just look like a little like rock chip. Actually, a fat rock chip, and there's a bunch of clear that's stuck on the side here. We can't really get that. The hood. We can't fix it. We can't fix it. Now, Josh is working on wet sanding this. Oh, I almost died. And then I'm gonna sand down the side skirt and paint it. Oh, let me show you guys the other side skirt. It's a little dusty right now, but like, it's really dusty. Oh my god. Yeah. Bro, this stuff's caked on here. It's caked. But yeah, I did a pretty fire job sanding this, or painting this. Like, it looks pretty nice once we clean it up. Front lip has fuck ton of orange peel. We'll wet sand that. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put the camera down and get some more work done. Oh. We're going in. Nah, I got it. First person shooter, okay?
Okay, so update. We are taping off the car now. We're going. Yeah, he's being slave still. But we are doing one more. Bitch ass. We're doing one more round of 300 grit sanding. The 2 bumpers already. There's one of the bumpers I'm gonna start painting it. The other one's over there, and then the side skirt still needs to be sanded down with 300 and then wet sanded. Right now we're just waiting for the primer to dry up. We're just hitting the spots with the bare metal showing with the 300. What else we're doing? Taping it, primering it, sanding with 300,
And then wet sand.
wet sanding it with probably 1,000 or 2,000, and then probably gonna paint it by tonight when it gets a bit cooler. Gonna paint it in here, wet sand it in here, because it's not on wheels, it's on jack stands. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's get to painting. We are finishing up the sanding. We forgot to bondo one spot, so we're gonna finish bondoing these 4 holes, and then I'm starting to wet sand right now. I'm gonna hit it with 1,000. I'm probably just gonna hit the car one time with 1,000 and call it a day, start painting. But I don't know if I got the rest on camera with the bumpers, but bumpers are looking pretty good. There's like a crack, but that was there from before, and I think it just shows through. It shows pretty much all the imperfections there were because I didn't primer it, but fuck it. There's orange peel, as you can see. Yeah, you can see like a bunch of orange peel, but I'm gonna be buffing it out hopefully and not burning through. And then on the front bumper there's like way more issues. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you can pretty much see all the imperfections because there's no primer. So if you want to do this properly, definitely hit it with primer. But if you do look at it from afar, it looks hella clean. And hopefully the car will too.
Hey Josh, cue the B-roll.
9 cans of spray paint later, and my car's painted. The only thing that's wrong on the most part is that the hood is hella tiger striped. So I'm probably, and it's really dinged up, and it's like, I need a new hood anyways. So I'm gonna run this one temporarily, and then I might just get a carbon fiber one, or I don't know, I'll figure it out. I accidentally put too much paint over here and it started dripping. The roof I messed up, and I decided to spray half of it and then do the other half when I got to the other side, and you can see that it's kind of tiger striped up there too. The back, I couldn't even see the back, so I don't even know if the back is good or not, so we'll find out when I pull up with the car.
Huh?
This fender is pretty clean though, other than like you can see the scratch marks.
Hey, let me spray your car.
Chill, bro. Yo, this guy said put on the bumper, bro. This is like wetter than your girl.
I'm on DC5.
This kid said I am a DC5. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe to Collective.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.